Hey there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. It's time for another live coding stream, and it's gonna be a different one than the last couple of weeks. So the last couple of weeks we have been building a chatbot for Microsoft Teams using the Microsoft Bot framework and a custom connector for Logic Apps and Flow. But today we're gonna do something different. Today we're gonna look at Azure Video Indexer, which is an Azure service that should be able to get all kinds of information from videos like subtitles or transcripts, people in the video, and all that stuff. Yeah, I think I've seen it, or not seen it, but heard about it some time ago, but haven't really looked into it that much. But it looks like we're gonna need it for a project that's gonna start soon. So I thought, well, let's dive in and see what it can do and how to use it, and well, what is it anyway. So if you're interested as well, you can follow along while I discover this service. And yeah, let's just take an hour and see what it can do. It's basically that for today. So without further ado, let's just inspect the Azure Video Indexer service. Alright, so here we are. Let's first go to the official Microsoft page and check out what it should be able to do. It's not video mixer, it's video indexer, that's correct. So the Azure Video Indexer automatically extracts advanced metadata from video and audio content. So to skim a little bit on this page, what can it do? So we can integrate, it says a web portal, web widgets, REST API, that's gonna be interesting. Train and fine-tune AI models, improve content accuracy, configure your account, compliance, content discoverability. Yeah, so you extract metadata from your content, that's nice. Speech transcription and translation for closed captioning, recommendation algorithms by extracting objects and people that appear in the video, clips featuring a particular person, and build your own applications without building the underlying infrastructure. It's also nice. And you can also generate fresh content with an AI video editor. Find the right media content in your library, locate the pieces you're interested in, stitch them together into a new video. When you're happy with the result, render and download the video using your own editing applications or downstream workflows. Alright, so let's see what we can do with that. So start free sounds about right. One thing I'd also like to see is what is the pricing. So we're gonna try it out, but what will we pay for it eventually? So the Video Indexer provides up to 10 hours of free indexing and up to 40 hours of free indexing to API users. And you can buy more. So let's go to the calculator. And let's find the video index. It's probably in the media services. I've used that one in the past. So I am in the West Europe region. So that's the first. Oh, here it is. I thought of the first problem that it wasn't available here, but it is. Okay. Oh, this is something different. This isn't what I'm looking for. So it's not here. So let's skip over it too quickly. Customers that need to process more content can do so by linking their existing Azure Media Services resource group to their video indexer account or creating a new Azure Media Services resource group. Okay, so it's built based on the Azure Media Services resource group. Coding, okay. So still we need to use the media services for West Europe. Yeah, I don't know what exactly we all need, but it's probably a couple of. So VOD, output minutes. So for 60 minutes, for example, that's not too expensive. Video on demand is not that expensive. Streaming, it's about $60 per month. Live video for like 10 hours or so. It's also not that expensive. Content protection, that's not what we're gonna need. Here's the indexing. Content minutes. Video indexer, for example. So we're billing on 60 or 10 hours, so let's input that here as well. Okay. Yeah, okay, so it's not too expensive. It will cost you a few bucks, and I don't know necessarily how many hours or minutes that you would need to use this service, but it's not too bad. So let's just get started with my own accounts. Let's go back 1, 2 pages and start free. Meanwhile, let's just see if we can create one, because I do not want to sign up for a new Azure subscription. Yeah, and I'm already a customer, so let's create a resource group in one of my subscriptions, Video Indexer, and let's put it in West Europe so that we have the best connection. All right, where is it? Just drill this down to just the Lannister subscription, and there's the video indexer. Now let's add the service indexer. Media services. Is this what we need to do? We need to set up media services. Yeah. So we're going to browse to the Video Indexer website. Here it is. Sign in with my work accounts. I'm automatically in the trial. And how do I set it up? When the subscriptions list appears, select the subscription that you want to use. I don't understand. Click on the Create New Accounts. So in Lannister, in West Europe, use an existing resource group. I'd like to pick the one. Why don't you show me? Okay, we're gonna stick with the trial for now. I think that's fine. So let's see if we can get a video from one of my colleagues. It's gonna be interesting. Let's see. Do we have a cool video? Let's take that one. Video of John. Does this work? John. It doesn't support Dutch, apparently. So this might not be the best video to use. Well, let's see what it can do with. I'm gonna put it to auto detect, so maybe work. What do we have for the Azure indexing presets? What is a people model? It's very interesting to check that out. Probably we can use it to better recognize. There's a problem with the input values. Okay, so we do need to download it. Alright, pasting the link in here. Start. Let's use the full HD version. Downloading. And we go here and browse for a file. And upload it. There's a problem with the input value. So what is the issue? We put this back on English. Okay, well, let's just pick one of the top. Let's see, what would be a nice one to try?
Then should I dismiss my real thoughts to protect my kids? Or should I let them see my weaknesses? How will they remember me when I'm gone? Should I let them see my weaknesses?
Let's pick the Joker trailer, for example. Not sure what we can do with it. Just gonna try. So let's enter a file URL. Oops. What is this?
So reach out to it, cross the gates. 'Cause everything
This
I
isn't exactly a very good start.
hear in my mind.
Yes,
Someone told me that I couldn't be myself.
finally.
I would be
Okay, so we have a video.
my
It's indexing. Would be interesting to see what it could do. So here we have the content model customization. Let's see where what can detect initially. So we can add vocabularies to make it better understand what it's saying. Okay, cool. How are we doing with the indexing? Decent. I think it would be nice to have also a custom video that's not so popular as the Joker trailer. So let's see if maybe we can use a different one. So do we have other cool videos maybe? This one is English. This one is also English. So let's upload another video, or let's download it first. %. Downloads. We go here, upload, browse. And here it is. Now let's try. Very nice UI. Bouncing left and right. Alright, so we have one popular video and one less popular. Let's see how it goes and what it can extract from the video. Use projects. Sample videos do we have additionally? And this is the point where we just sit and wait for a bit. Alright. So for example, we want to find Lawrence. Is it Lawrence? So for example, we add a model in Spark. I'm gonna add a person. Put it on my desktop. Is it Lawrence? Let's use just a single image for now, but we can make it recognize better, of course, if we use multiple images. See, okay, so it indexed the Joker. Let's check if you could hear my music. Let's see if we can fix that. So audio source. It's just audio, I guess. Then new one. Oh, maybe it works already. Let's see. Now play. There's some audio as well. Let me check what it sounds like for you. I'm always struggling with these settings. Okay. I don't know. So if it's too loud, just let me know. So it indexed Joaquin, unknown, so it doesn't recognize Joaquin or the Joker. That's interesting to see that for about 50% of the video, Joaquin is, or the Joker is without his cover, so it's just less than 10% wearing his makeup. Robert De Niro's in here, Zazie Beetz. Here it didn't recognize Joaquin. Some kid, lady, some more unknowns, so it was not able to capture the other people that well. Yeah, mental illness sounds about right. Humor, fun, entertainment, comedy.
Lovely meeting.
Person indoor, and so it found some
When
labels.
you bring me out, can you introduce me as Joker?
silver. Sentiment is relatively positive.
You just asked the same question.
Over here. So what section is this? It looks happy. Makes sense.
Well, no one's laughing now.
You can say that again, pal.
That is just a little bit. Positive is gone now. Interesting. So it found scenes, it found keyframes. Interesting. So a timeline. Ah. It would be good if I could hear it. Which means that I would need to hear the outputs. So monitor. Would I be able to hear it now?
Please.
Let's put the outputs of Streamlabs to headset.
Stop bothering my kid.
Okay, let me turn on my audio here. So sorry if this is gonna.
Sorry.
Can you please stop bothering my kid?
Sorry.
Arthur, I have some bad news for you. This is the last time we'll be meeting.
Yeah,
You
that's
don't
good.
listen, do you? You just ask the same questions every week. How's your job? Are you having any negative thoughts? All I have are negative thoughts.
Cool. Alright, so that works. Here you can choose other languages. Those are the translations. View. Now you can view the people next to the spoken words. Labels, outdoor. Oh, cool. Named entities. Sentiments. Keyframes, topics, scenes, transcripts, OCR. Nice, nice. And you can also edit. Okay, so we can change it. That's cool. That's very cool. Okay, let's check out the other video that we used. Alright, so recognized Dick for 29%. This is Lawrence, so didn't recognize it this time around, but maybe we can fix that. So those are not celebrities, although some think they may be, but as you can tell, none was actually properly identified. Companies, Germanic peoples, right? Indoor wall, outdoor, standing, window. So
op het Microsoft platform. Dat is wat ons drijft. En we gaan hier daadwerkelijk van inspiratie naar ideevorming tot concrete resultaten met prototyping.
What more do we have? A laptop. So there should be a laptop here on the screen. Yeah. Definitely a laptop.
Wat veel breder was, zeg maar, dan onze.
And another one here. Yep.
Wordt vanuit de business.
And computer. It's almost the same as a laptop, isn't it? Yeah, it's the same.
Als zeg maar dan onze eigen disciplines heeft ervoor gezorgd dat we uiteindelijk een heel.
Not much chairs in this video.
Zodoende hun vooruit te helpen.
Interesting. George Akerlof.
Een mijlpaal voor Inspark, opening van ons eigen lab, midden in het hart van Microsoft Nederland. Dit is wat ons drijft en we gaan hier daadwerkelijk van inspiratie naar ideevorming tot concrete resultaten met prototyping. Nou, de eerste resultaten hebben we vandaag daarvan gezien en dat gaan we de komende jaren.
And I'm so proud that we can open the Innovation Lab with Inspark and Microsoft in order to achieve more together.
Not sure where it found a George Akerlof.
Een mijlpaal voor Inspark, opening van ons eigen lab, midden in het hart van Microsoft Nederland. Dit is de plek waar we samen met onze partners
I think it's having some difficulty with the Dutch language.
Dat is
unfortunately. Oh, there's also some joy.
Innovate more. And I'm so proud that we can open the Innovation Lab with Inspark and Microsoft.
There are some scenes and keyframes. What could it do? Yeah, so the transcript is completely useless because it does not understand Dutch. But we can disable it. This is an OCR. That's nice because this is on the stairs of the Microsoft building. Empower every person.
Een mijlpaal voor Inspark, opening van ons eigen lab.
To achieve more. And it also transcribed the subtitles, closed captioning. Cool. What else could we view? So we can turn off and show the people.
Aan innovatie op het Microsoft platform. Dat is
and what else can we get from here? Keywords. Not very interesting. Named entities. Emotions, sentiments. These speakers. Oh, you can hear different speakers. So this is a different speaker. Well, it's not really a speaker.
Een mijlpaal voor Inspark, opening van ons eigen lab, midden in het hart van Microsoft Nederland. Dit is de plek waar we samen met onze partners en klanten gaan werken aan innovatie op het Microsoft platform. Dat is wat ons drijft en we gaan hier daadwerkelijk van inspiratie naar ideevorming tot concrete resultaten met prototyping. Nou, de eerste resultaten hebben we vandaag daarvan gezien en dat gaan we de komende jaren doorzetten.
In order to empower
so this,
every person
different person.
and every organization here in the Netherlands.
Here's another different person speaking. Oh, it's
De samenwerking tussen Microsoft, InSpark en KPN is zeer succesvol. Microsoft,
same
InSpark en
person again.
KPN is zeer succesvol.
InSpark heeft ons geholpen om het experiment uiteindelijk te versnellen. Met name de eerste workshop.
De markt heel veel data en AI vraagt. Het mooie van het InSpark Lab is dat er niet wordt gekeken vanuit het vast te pakken.
So we had another video. Is this one in English?
Vibego is a family company as a service provider.
This one is English, so let's also try this one. We can download it in the meantime. Let's see if we can also find Dick. There's Dick. Let's take a few pictures of Dick and build our model. So, and let's take a few other pictures from Lawrence. Right, and let's build our model. So we have here in Spark, it's Lawrence. Let's add a couple of images. And let's add a person. This is Dick. There we go. Now, can we change the configuration and re-index? Oh, this is the joker. I do not want to re-index that one. So pick this one. Looks like I cannot. What if I tell it to re-index? Will it just automatically re-index? Gives me options. Because I'd like to use a difference. So video only, because we cannot do anything with the audio of this particular video. Just download the let's upload the new file. Let's also see if one of the InSpark people is in this video. Always exciting, that last percent. Did you or did you not upload it? Running backgrounds. Okay, there it is. Yeah, and then there was also this API, so let's see what we can do with that. So of course we can upload it. But maybe I want some more information on the API. Operations. Because maybe, just maybe, I'd like to get we do not want to upload. I just want to get some information on existing. So get accounts. I guess that's where it all starts. Try it. Location was West Europe. Let's generate access token. How do we call this thing? So the authorization. There's an authorization. The account ID. Need to get that from here, settings, copy. Ah. That's what they meant by subscribing. Okay, so now I subscribed. So now I can go to the APIs. I can go to the authorization API. Get accounts. Get a user access token. West Europe. What is this thing? Maybe I should read the docs. Now I should be able to get here. Maybe use the get accounts, try it. West Europe. True. Oh.
life like this? Pen to paper alone like this? Is this how they'll see me when I'm gone? Then should I dismiss my real thoughts to protect my kids? Or should I let them see my weaknesses? How will they remember me when I'm gone? Should I let them see my weaknesses? How will they remember me when So I record the same, the wild and mundane, 'cause I'm a whole person like them too. I'll tell the truth when I was wrong, and what I sacrificed to be strong. I'll write every day, in the way, even make it a habit that I don't lose. 'Cause I look back to with a warmer heart at the younger girl I once was. My journal's like a link book to my brain, so reach out to it, cross the gate. 'Cause everything I am is safe here in my mind. Someone told me that I couldn't be myself. I would be me even more through my doubts. Get a grip on my soul as you read on. It's harder to love me now that you can arrange all my flaws. Category, time, date, and cause. Get about halfway and pause. It's not worth it.
Maybe I should just try. There we go. Shite. So, okay. So what did it do with the other video? It's Zoe? Who is he? Sprint kayaker has been racing.
Bego is an impact company. I can focus more on our businesses and making sure that they run better. The less time spent making IT work or secure, the more time we can spend on making impact.
On a daily basis.
So what does he look like? Nah. Not really close, but nice. So a few people are unknown in this video. I don't think, it doesn't appear that Stick or Lawrence are in this video. Anyway, the topics are security. That makes sense because a lot of the stuff is about security. Labels. A boat. Oh, start with the boats. Yep, that's boats.
Vibego is a family company as a service provider.
Yeah, it's clothing.
Respond with a 24.
Posing. Who's posing?
Daily basis.
You're posing. Yeah, so I think it was Jochen.
Strategy at Verbego is an all public cloud strategy.
Here, not Jochen.
Verbego was looking for a partner.
It's in general positive. What's about the negative?
We're not an IT company. Our strategy at Verbego is an all public cloud strategy.
Verbego was looking for a partner that could help them with delivering a maximum secure environment, but do that in a way that...
So what's in the timeline? Phoebe. No, it's Verbego. But the translation or the transcription feature works pretty well here. Storyboard, captioning, accessibility, oil, people. Yeah, that's kind of nice. So now we have, or we can request this user token for trial. Send. We get this fabulous token, and we can use that to call the other APIs. For example, get project captions, therefore I would need to know the projects. How do we get the projects? Language, person, captions, video captions, video index, lists videos. I think we should start there. Patient's trial, account ID. Oh, let's keep these around for a little. Send. Burn authorized, yes, because we need to have this token as well. And let me guess, we need to have a videos access token for this. That's for specific. access token, not allowed to access account. Get account access token. Use that access token here. Again. Access token validation. Yes. Okay, so we can use trial. Let's use true. Send. Must be an account with read. Yeah, so we do trial. Give it this access token for this account ID. This time it worked. Okay. So now here we have the videos that we got. Now let's see. Let's make this duplicates. Now we have the video. Now let's get. This is also a project. Now I would like to get the project captions, for example. Let's see. Try. Occasion is trial. Account ID. Where the heck do we get that project ID from? So we can get the projects or the do the list videos. Get video captions. Let's try this one. Okay, that was stupid. Now we need to do this one again. The account ID and the access token. Oh, this is such a juggling of details. And it Thanks. So access token, account ID. And we get the video ID. And with that video ID, you should be able to get the video captions. So we have the video ID, we have the account ID, we have the location, and we have the access token, and here's the transcripts. Nice. And what's in the video index while we're at it? The trial, start access token, copied, the account ID, and the video ID. What did we request? The video index. So we had faces. Those are all the faces. Oh, this is where it ends. Nice. It's stuck right now. But I still do not know how to get the projects. Oh well, anyway. We're gonna wrap up for today. So thanks if you have been following along for today. We have been checking out the Azure Video Indexer. Well, it looks very cool. So we were able to index the video of the Joker trailer. And a couple of videos from InSpark, my own company. Yeah, and it appears that it's showing details on people in it, transcripts, objects in the video, scenes, well, a lot of detail. The API is still a bit vague. But we'll get there. At least we've been able to make a couple of successful requests, but we can get all the data that has been detected in the videos and download it or get it so that we can build upon it. And that's the last thing that I forgot to check out. Did it recognize Dick and Lawrence? That's of course the final piece of the puzzle. So here we are. We re-indexed this video with a different people model, and there we go. This time it found Dick and it found Lawrence. How cool is this? This is very nice. Just by uploading a couple of videos of them, they were able to be identified in the video. Not at the start maybe, but for example here is where small well, this isn't Dick. Right.
aan innovatie op het Microsoft platform.
Ja.
Dat is wat ons drijft en we gaan hier daadwerkelijk van.
And also here should be Dick. This isn't Dick, but probably in the next frame or so.
Here in the Netherlands,
There he
in
is
fact
again.
on the planet,
So
to
even
achieve
from
more.
the side,
We
it
need
was
to
able to correctly identify people just by uploading a couple of videos, and that's really cool. That's really cool. All right, yeah, I'm gonna wrap up for today. So thanks for watching. I'll be probably doing a follow-up when we dive a little bit more into the API. So stay tuned for that. Otherwise, we'll continue working on the chatbot that we've been building the last couple of weeks. I'll be here on the Mondays and Wednesdays, both at the time of 10 a.m. Pacific time or 7 p.m. Central European time. So if you like doing these types of investigations into new products or new services, just let me know and I can do more of them. If you like to see me do more coding stuff like we do with the chatbot, let me know as well. Don't forget to follow. I'm working towards the goal of 50 followers, so any follower that's been added is a great plus. So follow me and make sure to enable the notifications so that you get notified when I go live again, and hopefully I see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.